Here are the simple ingredients. Chicken cut into like almost bite size, not too big. Pork cut into bite size with just a little fat, not too much fat. And of course, soy sauce, dato puti vinegar, I like those brands. And we have ginger, garlic, onion, salt, bay leaves, and peppercorn, black pepper. These are the whole peppercorn. Let's cook. What I do first is to marinate for just a bit. I will add soy sauce to the pork and also soy sauce to the chicken. Mix them. They're ready. So after 15 minutes of marinating, I will start cooking. Onion, garlic, and ginger. It smells so good. Pork goes in first. It's been 10 minutes, so let's check the pork. Ooh, it's cooking. Let's have a stir. Then I will add the chicken. I'm adding the marinated chicken. Okay, skin down first. One side. Okay, let's cover it. Okay, so now I'm going to add the condiments. Give it a little stir.
Okay.
And add salt. Bay leaves to be the whole ones. Peppercorn. Soy sauce. That's 1 cup. And the vinegar. Cover it and let it boil. It's cooking. Wow, look at that. I can smell it. It smells so delicious. Yum, yum, yum. It will be ready in a few minutes. Now it's ready. Looks so yummy. Chicken pork adobo.